Welcome to JavaScript Daily channel. Today we are going to talk about React ES6 arrow function. Arrow function allow us to write shorter function syntax. Before we have like this, hello equal to function. We have return hello world. But now we have like this in arrow function. Hello. Return hello what. This is the difference between this function and this function. If right now we call document.write hello function, you can see hello what. But it goes shorter if the function has only one statement and the statement returns a value. You can remove the brackets and then return the keyword like this. Hello. What? You can write like this also. Again it prints hello world. But arrow functions return by default. This works only if the function has one statement, and if you have one parameter you pass them inside the parentheses like this. We have function name hello. Inside the parentheses we have one variable. We can say hello concatenate with my name Elias. No, concatenate we can say with wall. Now we document dot write inside of hello function. I write my name Elias, a little space here. This function is with parameters. In fact, if you have only one parameter, you can set the parentheses as well, like this. If you have just one parameter, you can skip like this. And what about this? The handling of this is also different in arrow function compared to regular function. In short, with arrow function there are no big binding of this. In regular function, this keyword represent the object that called the function, which could be the window, the document, button, or a weather. With arrow function, this keyword always represent the object that define the arrow function. Let's have two examples of this. We have let person equal to, we have one name Elias and age we can say 22. Right now we have another function log info equal to function. Inside the function we have one statement. We have one statement document dot write this dot name concatenate with is, and again concatenate with this dot age concatenate with years old. Now we call our function here person dot log info. Yeah, Elias is 22 years old. This is the this work that you can see. If we have with parameter here we have a parameter. Let's make another object here. Let the pupil equal to function. We have two parameters, name and age. We have this dot name equal to name and this dot age equal to age, and again this dot display info. Again we have function document dot write this dot name, again concatenate with is, again concatenate with this dot h with years old. Now we call the function let person 1 equal to, we make new object equal to pupil. Now we call person 1 dot display info function. Undefined is undefined years, because of that we didn't get any parameters here. We gave Elias and the next parameter is 22. Elias is 22 years. Okay, thanks from noise watching as this video, and we will see the next video. Goodbye.